Living in Washington, D.C. comes with its unique challenges when it comes to air quality. Whether you're dealing with allergens, pollutants, or just general indoor air quality issues, the environment inside your home can have a significant impact on your health and comfort. One often overlooked solution to improving indoor air quality is replacing your old windows with modern replacement windows. Old windows can contribute to poor indoor air quality in several ways. Drafts, poor sealing, and even moisture buildup can all exacerbate existing problems. Here's how replacement windows can help improve the indoor air quality in your Washington, D.C. home and create a healthier environment for you and your family. Better sealing reduces drafts and pollutants. One of the primary ways that old windows affect your indoor air quality is by allowing drafts and pollutants to enter your home. Over time, the seals around older windows can deteriorate, allowing outside air to seep into your home. In Washington, D.C., where outdoor pollution from vehicle emissions and other sources is common, these air leaks can bring harmful pollutants inside, affecting the air quality. Replacement windows are designed to fit more securely and provide a better seal around the frame. Modern weather stripping and insulated window frames keep outdoor pollutants, allergens, and dust from entering your home, ensuring that the air inside remains cleaner and more breathable. Sealing your windows properly not only improves your home's energy efficiency but also helps to keep harmful outdoor air from entering your indoor environment. Energy efficiency prevents moisture and mold buildup. Poor insulation in old windows can also contribute to moisture problems inside your home. Condensation that forms on poorly sealed windows can create a damp environment, which, over time, may lead to mold and mildew growth. Mold and mildew thrive in moist conditions and can trigger allergic reactions, asthma, and other respiratory issues. By replacing your windows with energy-efficient models, you can significantly reduce the amount of moisture that enters your home. Double-pane windows or triple-pane windows with insulated frames help maintain a stable indoor temperature, preventing the kind of condensation buildup that leads to mold growth. Furthermore, low-E glass and other modern coatings help control humidity levels, reducing the potential for moisture problems. Increased ventilation for fresher air. Proper ventilation is one of the most important factors in maintaining good indoor air quality. Old windows that are difficult to open or close can hinder airflow and prevent you from letting in fresh, clean air. This is particularly important in urban environments like Washington, D.C., where outdoor air quality may be better than indoor air if your windows are sealed tightly. Replacement windows are designed to open and close easily, allowing you to regulate airflow and increase natural ventilation. Casement windows, for example, are known for their ease of use and provide maximum ventilation. Sliding windows or double-hung windows also allow for easy opening, enabling you to let fresh air in whenever needed. Having the ability to open your windows more frequently can improve air circulation and help flush out stale indoor air, ensuring a healthier environment inside. UV protection reduces indoor air pollutants. Another benefit of modern replacement windows is their ability to block harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays. While the sun's rays can provide natural light and warmth, they can also contribute to indoor air quality problems by breaking down materials inside your home. UV rays can cause off-gassing from paints, furniture, and carpets, releasing volatile organic compounds, VOCs, into the air, which can contribute to poor air quality. Low-E glass, commonly used in energy-efficient windows, acts as a barrier to UV rays. This not only protects your furniture and flooring from fading but also reduces the levels of VOCs in your home. By minimizing the amount of UV radiation entering your home, replacement windows help maintain a cleaner, healthier indoor environment. Noise reduction for a healthier environment. While noise pollution may not directly affect air quality, it can certainly impact your overall well-being. In a bustling city like Washington, D.C., street noise, traffic, and general city sounds can be constant. Excessive noise can lead to stress, disrupted sleep, and even physical health issues like increased blood pressure or heart disease. Replacement windows with double or triple panes offer an excellent solution for reducing outside noise. These windows are designed to absorb sound and act as a barrier between the indoor and outdoor environments. The improved sound insulation creates a quieter, more peaceful living space, helping to reduce stress and promote better sleep and overall health. Healthier indoor environment and allergy relief. For many homeowners in Washington, D.C., allergies are a significant concern. Pollen, dust, and other allergens can make their way into your home through old windows that are not properly sealed. This can lead to increased allergy symptoms such as sneezing, coughing, and congestion. Replacement windows with improved seals and airtight construction can help keep allergens from entering your home. Many modern windows are designed to prevent dust, pollen, and other airborne particles from getting inside, which can help reduce allergy symptoms and create a healthier indoor environment. Additionally, the ability to open your windows and allow fresh air to flow through can further help clear out allergens and pollutants from your home. Conclusion. Replacement windows offer a wide range of benefits for homeowners in Washington, D.C., particularly when it comes to improving indoor air quality. From reducing drafts and pollutants to increasing ventilation and minimizing moisture buildup, new windows can help you create a healthier, more comfortable living environment. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you not only improve your home's energy performance but also protect your health by reducing exposure to allergens, pollutants, and harmful UV rays. Whether you're looking to breathe easier, reduce indoor humidity, or simply enjoy a quieter space, replacing your old windows can make a world of difference.